ChatGPT si Father, kung pregunta yun, how many miracles are stated or are cited in the Bible? Kabarya contest si ChatGPT. There are more than 80 specific miracles that are listed in the full Bible, Old Testament and New Testament. Kabar, dyan example. And I realize na mga example niya dali si ChatGPT. One thing is very common among the miracles cited. And what is that? Miracles will happen only after a problem has arisen. Chene milagro, si Chene problema. Ken manakal mo kere ang problema. Ngayon, seris milagro. You look at the Bible. You read the Bible. Well, let's look at the New Testament. New Testament. Tumaya lang Old Testament. New Testament. What are the miracles? Miracles of Jesus. What's the first miracle? What's the first miracle of Jesus? Turning the water into wine. Cosa el problema? Yaga si Maria con Jesus, they have no wine. Yan siya inianay sila problema. Yaka ba di ila wine? Yaka ba tomada? And when Jesus knew about the problem, even if it was not his time, but because it was Mary who asked him, then he turned water into wine. Problema anay before el milagro. That is why, my dear brothers and sisters in Christ, if we feel at this moment of our lives na daw todo yan ang problema na di atong vida, na pirmiya lang kita tayura, na pirmiya lang kita hindi takabael lingasa na vida, do not worry. Continue to pray because God is preparing a miracle for you. Despite the spiral of problems that you have in your life, remember, after every problem, there is a miracle. Just like what happened in our gospel reading today. Mira ustedes, cosa el problema? Jesus, looking at the people who have been following him for how many days, ya mira ele, hala, mga gente, cuánto días, ta sige conmigo. Siguro ya kabaya di ila baon. Siguro nuay meses sila, cosa taliba, kumita. And so he asked his apostles, where can we get enough food for them to eat? That's the problem. Nakontesta pa gani si Philip na, Lord, maskin 200 days wages, hindi si enough. Grande problema agad si Lord. But you see, because of this problem, Jesus was able to make a miracle. And we have this multiplication of the bread. Problema, milagro. This also tells us, my dear brothers and sisters in Christ, na as we face our problems, noy pa man el milagro tadali ka natin el Diyos, or hindi pa kita tasinti el milagro del Diyos, we have three things to put into mind. Cosa man say, three things. Number one, we have have to be ready to participate and cooperate in God's plan. We have to be ready to participate and cooperate in God's plan. Look at what happened in the gospel. Yan siya sila problema. And then, here comes Andrew. Yaabla, Lord, siya bata akio, taki disiyo baon, 5 pan, 2 pescaw. Pero kung sa man si Lord, bien malada gente, Lord, este lang siya bata. But you see, because of the willingness of the child to share, maskin jutay lang ko sa elechene, Jesus was able to create a great miracle. El milagro del Diyos, hindi lang galing problema kita dapat sini. El milagro del Diyos para sucede, dapat sini kita a heart and a faith that cooperates with God's plan. Example, Lord, let there be peace in our family. No? Manalisit ang intention namin. Lord, siya ba paz na di among pamilya? Lord, era cambiaya di mio marido na tomador, kabal, ano gayon, pirmi na galyera. Lord, era di mio mga anak, estaya lang nakasa. Kabar, pirmi Teresa. El problema, no hay hindi tamira na elegale el chene problema tamen, porque man, pirmi ta pelya con el marido. Kaya por caso, pirmi sila ta pelya del marido, el mga bata, no hay gana, está na casa. Por eso, pirmi afuera. How can you receive the miracle of peace in the family if you do not cooperate? So, nisisita gali, kamyaan na kita. Ay, hindi ano yung pwede yung marido. Bahala ya, volve ele borracho. No? Sige, mandalangin ko nila durmi. Mandalangin ko nila durmi. Manyari lang kami magkwento. Kaysa si Ara yung magkwento na mas keda grande problema di amon. You know, say this, you will have peace in the family if you know how to cooperate and participate in God's plan. Maskin jutay pa se manera, maskin jutay pa se cosa ustedes puede hacer, pero si magkopol con ese el gracia del Dios grande and effective. Number 2, trust. Always trust in God's provision. Always trust in God's provision. We have to remember that when God gives, it is always enough and even more than enough. Mira ustedes, when Jesus multiplied the bread, cosa ya pasa? Everyone was able to eat. No? Yablay natin si Father Roger el panmisa na alas 5, no? He was pointing out, no, one of the facts in the parable or in the story. Aquí ka naton, mira daw ustedes. Ken el mas manada, hombre mujer. Mira ustedes, mira, mas manada ang mujer, no? Kaysa ng hombre. Na, yabla na Biblia, yabla na Gospel, there were 5,000 men, not counting children and women. Na, si 5,000 na, o times 2 siguro, times 3, 15,000 siguro ang mga muher. Imagine, Jesus was from the 5 loaves and 2 fish, He was able to feed that multitude. And there was even sobra. They were able to collect 12 wicker baskets. Kung sa man sa taabla ka natin, si El Diyos tadale di siyo grasya, sobra-sobra si. Ang question lang, are we contented? Are we satisfied with God's grace? Porque man, example yan ulit. Ya dale el Diyos con ustedes buen trabajo. Ya dale el Diyos buen negosyo. Pero chenebes, manada ka natin, ta-entra na tentasyon, busca pa yung otro sideline. Busca pa yung otro negosyo. Busca pa yung otro source of income. Por eso, masking bueno el negosyo, tan sugal. No? Bakal batabla sila, Manny Pacquiao approve. No? Online gambling. No? Benway sa gayon ara, na tan-post na Facebook, kay manada, no kere anda na galyera, kosas sila taasi, mga bantam manok sila taasi galyera, kay para talya lang nakasa. No? You see, when we are not satisfied with God's grace, ali kita tan mali, ali kita ta cheni kulpa. Porque man, we don't trust God. Yadalya ka natin ko sa enough, pero we look for many more. Much more. We have to remember ko sa kinataresan na our Father, give us this day our daily bread. Noy abla alya, give us this day our yearly bread. We have to trust that when God gives, it is more than enough. And number 3, kasama na number 3, miracles point to God's grace and goodness. El mga milagro na tasusede na di atong vida must make us more aware of God's presence in our